Why you next up?
Ain't fuck that whore. And she tryna come in, nigga, close the fucking door. A nigga been nutted, shorty kept on sucking more. Yo, my nigga, can somebody speed the fucking beat up? This shit is slower than a bitch, no cap. And you got the Glock, but you needed the clip. And I gave her the cut, now she teasing the rip. And she gave me blue balls on my
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Kai, and I'm with another bang video, you feel me? Today, I'm coming in here with a hair tutorial, you feel me? I'm about to be showing y'all how to get your curls looking like they was entitled. So as you can see right here, I mean, it don't look too bad, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to get your hair looking straight, you feel me? Especially if you have curly hair, because I know a lot of people with curly hair just don't know how to style their hair for it and don't know how to take care of it. So I'm gonna teach you how to take care of it, slash, you know, what to put in it to make your hair look nice, you feel me? But hey, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. You know I tell you every video. Turn on post notifications, all that. Share my videos, you feel me? Spread the video, help me below, help me expand my fan base, you feel me? So y'all can stay on the ride with me. But hey, anyways, let me stop talking and let me just get straight to the video. Let's go. Alright, YouTube. So we're gonna get straight to it, alright? So this is really, first off, you gotta have long hair, or you gotta have long-ish hair. Like if your hair is like this, sorry, but you gonna have to keep going. It was a process for me. It took me like a good year just to get my hair this long. But anyways, for people that got long hair, or you can just have medium hair, you can still do it no matter what. It's just your results might be different from mine depending on how long your hair is. But anyways, we're gonna get straight to it, okay? So the first step to get your hair looking straight, you feel me? And this is low-key just my routine as well. But the first step, you gotta get your water. I just use a spray kit, you feel me? You just got water in it, and you just spray your hair. Alright, once your hair is like this, all you gotta do is shake that joint out, you feel me? So now, your hair should be looking something like this. Oh, I got a mushroom head, dog. Yeah, it should be looking long like this, you feel me? You can spray a little more water, get all that in there, you feel me? Alright, next up, once you get all your hair wet, make sure all of it's wet, okay? Don't just spray it a couple times and think it's all wet. Make sure it's all wet, you feel me? Like dripping like this. See how it's, yeah, you feel me? But once your hair get like this, next thing I'm gonna do is go get your shampoo because you want to clean it. Mind you, you're not gonna do this every day. You're gonna do this like, I do this like once every 3 weeks, okay? So this is not something you want to do just every week, okay? But let's get to shampoo. All right, for my shampoo, I use this. I don't know if you, yeah. Ooh, that's focuses. Good, boy. I use the ISO Plus Deep Cleanse shampoo. I got this from the beauty supply store. It was $4.99, as you can see right here. And yeah, got shea butter, sulfate, bunch of stuff I can't pronounce, but it's good for you. I know that. All right, but you're gonna get a little bit. Gonna give it a little like. Oh, that looks so wrong. Ooh, you're gonna get a little bit like this, and then just put it in you. All right. So once you get all your shampoo in, you feel me? It's a little, you just put a little bit more water in it, okay? Alright, because you want to make sure that you're not just putting shampoo into dry hair, okay? So once you put all the water in, then you just gonna, you feel me? Make sure you get into your scalp, okay? So go do something like these, you feel me? Make sure you get that all up in your scalp. And yeah, alright. Once you get to this part, next part is easy. Now you just gotta rinse it all out, okay? Cause you got it all in it. Dude, my hair is crazy. Get that in. Let's rinse your hair off. Anyways, this is what your hair looks like. Well, this is what my hair look like. And it's all rinsed out, you feel me? Sheesh. Got them inches on me, you can't even. But you see the curls. Yeah. Damn boy is flossing. Yeah, okay, but now that you got all your hair rinsed out, next thing you gonna do, is you gonna wanna apply your conditioner. But you gonna wanna let this, like, you gonna wanna dry this out a little bit. So, have all that dry out, you feel me? Rinse. I mean, just make sure it's still damp, okay? You don't want this to be completely dry. You just want it to be damp when you apply your conditioner, okay? So, as I told you, next step, you put your conditioner into your hair, okay? So, the conditioner I use in the morning, these, you feel me? And the deep repair conditioner, okay? You're gonna use a good amount, all right? Mind you, conditioner is not like shampoo. You have to let this sit, okay? You don't want to just take this, put it in your hair, and then rinse it out. You want to let it sit for a little bit. So, I'm gonna take, that's a little too much. Sheesh. Put it in your hands. That is too much conditioner. Scrape a little bit. Scrape a little bit of that back in there. Okay. There you go. But you want to put your conditioner into your hair like so, you feel me? Make sure that you get all deep in the your what's it called? Your cranium. Yeah. Into your scalp. Make sure you get it all up in there, you feel me? Cause you're trying to repair your curls, you're trying to soften them up. So you want to get them in the roots and then make sure it's on all parts of your head. Don't just do the front, just don't do the sides, don't just do the back, you feel me? Sheesh, I almost feel. Alright, now that is all in there, all your conditioner is in there. Now you're just gonna wanna sit, you feel me? For like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, okay? You're just gonna sit and wait and let your conditioner do its thing before you rinse it out and then do the last steps. So let's go to that. Alright, so it's been about it's been like 5 minutes, I think, something like that. So right now, oh, excuse me, my bad about that. Right now, we're gonna rinse this out. Alright, your hair is all wet now, you feel me? Now, the last parts, and yeah, so obviously, rinse your hair out. Then we're gonna get to last time. Rinse your hair out, yeah. I'm tripping, dry your hair. I'm slow. Don't dry it all the way though, make sure it's still a little wet. Alright, now that you got it rinsed out, I mean damp or whatever, now you're gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put y'all on game right here. This is how you get your hair super long. Like this is how you get your hair like long quick. Alright, it's called Do Something. I still got the price tag, as you can see. Do Hair Vitalizer, okay? It's called Mega Long. This gets your hair right. It has a bunch of vitamins that's good for your hair that increases hair growth by like, I don't even know. Just it increases your hairline. I definitely seen results from this quick. I've been using this for like a month and this got my hair like crazy long. So you don't use too much of this, alright? You're gonna lose about like that much, okay? So you don't use like this much, you feel me? Make sure it's just on your fingertips because this is really all you're gonna use to put this in. Like this, and then you just on the back. And make sure you're trying to get into your scalp, okay? Because obviously your hair is not gonna grow off of just hair. It grows from your scalp. So that's what you're trying to do right now. You're trying to get it into your scalp. Like so. So I usually just use this all around. Try to get deep in there. Deep in that bit. Like, ooh. Alright. So once you get all that in there, Then I usually like to get it just a little bit wet, okay? Alright, as y'all can see, got that joint a little wet. Like so, okay? It's a little wet now, okay? As you can see, now what you wanna do is you wanna put your leave-in conditioner, okay? I use Shampoo. This is the only Shampoo product I use because Shampoo is really not good. You got hair like mine, so you don't really want to use any other Shampoo products, but I use this one. It's for kids, and it's a leave-in conditioner, okay? You can just get it literally anywhere that sells hair products. So you're gonna use a little bit. Put it in your fingers. Do your thing. And then just put this everywhere, okay? Cause this, you're gonna leave this in, okay? So you're not gonna rinse any of this out, but you wanna make sure that you got it in there good, like. All right, once it's all in there like this, okay? As you can see, it's all in there. You wanna make sure that you spend a good couple minutes to get all of that in there. Like this, just, you know. As long as that's all in there, then last step that you're gonna use is I use Africa's Best Oil Moisturizer, all right? So you're gonna put this, and this is what's gonna hold in your leave-in conditioner. So your leave-in conditioner, your leave-in conditioner don't just, you know, get all flaky and stuff like that, and don't start irritating your skin. So this is what I use. I feel like this is the best oil slash moisturizer. All right, you're gonna put a little bit in your hair, cause it's just gonna cover your scalp, cover your hair. Make sure it's all oiled up nice. All right, now you is all done. You feel me? This is what my hair looks like. Usually after I do it, you see the curl pattern, sheesh. And I have like 3B/3C. That's my curl pattern. All right, so if you have that type of curl pattern, this is pretty much what it's gonna turn out to. Mind you, it's gonna shrink, so don't think you can actually put I use this. It's just a holding gel for curls. Alright, so that's gonna keep your curls in place for real, but other than that, it's gonna really shrink up, so obviously don't got all this hair covering my eyes. But yeah, that's the video for today. Hopefully I taught y'all something, you feel me? Better up your hair routine, you feel me? So like your hair can start looking exquisite, immaculate, okay? So make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at _YoungKai_, add me on Snap, MJD_1115, you feel me? Keep up with my daily life, okay? So you can see the backstory behind videos, and so I can just keep in touch with y'all, you feel me? But this is gonna wrap up the video. It's your boy, Young Kai, and we out. Let's